Good evening, students. Today we are going to start our third chapter, Some Apples Please. I hope you all have read this. Student, this is a small summary of our third chapter. Today I am going to explain the first part of this chapter. So, students, this is an old story which had happened in England. Okay, students, this is an old story which had happened in England. In England, there was an old woman who lived in a small cottage. Students, cottage means a small house in a village. That lady lived in that small village. One day, the old woman wanted to eat an apple pie. Student, what is an apple pie? It is a baked filled with sweetened apples. The more she thought about an apple pie, more she wanted to eat it. वो ओल्ड लेडी जितना एप्पल पाई के बारे में सोचती थी वो उसे खाने की इच्छा होती थी. The more she wanted to eat it, which is made of juicy and red apples. But that old lady had no apples. She had a pear tree full of yellow pears and also had a plum tree. That old lady had two trees. One tree is of pears and another tree is of plum tree. But she want a pie which is made of apples, not from pears or plums. And for an apple pie, once she thought to take some plums from her garden and to sell it in the market, and then she will get some apples in exchange of those plums. एक बार उसने सोचा कि क्यों ना मैं कुछ प्लम्स को लेकर मार्केट जाऊं और इसके एक्सचेंज में मुझे कुछ हो सकता है कुछ एप्पल्स मिल जाए और जिससे मैं अपने एप्पल पाइस बना सकूं. So she went to the market, but when she was on her way, she heard lot of cackling and quacking sounds of birds. When she peeped over the fence or a boundary, she saw a young woman was trying to collect the flock of hens, ducks and geese. Student, as you are seeing here that this is a young lady who collect all her hens, ducks and geese, and she is an old lady who want some apple pie. She went her farm after listening the quacking and cackling sounds of ducks, hens and geese. This old woman talked to this young woman. The old lady said hello to that young woman and they started talking to each other like old friends. Then she told her about her wish that she wanted to eat an apple pie. Then the young lady told her that her husband want a plum jam, but we don't have plums. फिर उस यंग लेडी ने उस ओल्ड लेडी से कहा कि मेरे हस्बैंड को प्लम जैम बनाने के लिए कुछ प्लम्स की ज़रूरत है, बट हमारे पास प्लम्स नहीं हैं। आई वॉन्ट सम ऑफ योर प्लम्स बट इन एक्सचेंज वी डोंट हैव एप्पल्स टू गिव यू। मैं तुमसे कुछ प्लम्स ले सकती हूँ, बट इन एक्सचेंज आपको देने के लिए हमारे पास एप्पल्स नहीं हैं। आई कैन ओनली गिव यू अ बैग ऑफ फेदर्स। और इसके एक्सचेंज में मैं आपको सिर्फ फेदर्स दे सकती हूँ। द ओल्ड वुमेन सेड दैट बिटवीन बोथ ऑफ अस वन ऑफ अस विल हैव आवर विश फुलफिल्ड। इस पर उस ओल्ड लेडी ने कहा कि ठीक है, हम दोनों में से किसी एक की विश फुलफिल या पूरी होनी चाहिए। So they both exchanged their plums and feathers. Then again she means old lady moved towards the market, hoping that she would get some apples for the feathers. वो फिर से मार्केट की ओर चलने लगी, ये सोचकर कि हो सकता है उसे मार्केट में और कोई इन feathers के जगह उसे एप्पल्स दे दे। Then she reached to another farm. फिर वो एक और फार्म में पहुंची। फ्रॉम देयर द मोस्ट डिलीशियस स्मेल वॉज कमिंग आउट ऑफ द किचन विंडो ऑफ द फार्म हाउस। और जब वो वहाँ पहुंची, उसे बहुत अच्छी डिलीशियस स्मेल आ रही थी उसके किचन विंडो से उस फार्म हाउस की। द ओल्ड वुमन स्टॉप एट द गेट टू स्मेल फ्रेश ब्रेड एंड केक्स। There she heard a man and a woman quarreling. Quarreling means, students, here it is written over here quarreling. Quarreling means arguing angrily. एक दूसरे से बहस करना या झगड़ा करना. As you are saying here, they both husband and wife were quarreling with each other, and there the old woman was watching them. They are quarreling. But students, why they are quarreling with each other? The reason behind this is they both were quarreling over that which stuff is much softer for their pillow, straw or cotton. वो लोग इस पर बहस कर रहे थे, quarrel कर रहे थे कि हम अपने पिलो के लिए कौन सा स्टफ़ ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट रहेगा। स्ट्रॉ मीन्स सूखी घास या फिर कॉटन। हम इन कॉटन और स्ट्रॉ में से अपने पिलो में क्या स्टफ़ भरेंगे जिससे कि हमारा पिलो और ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट लगे। द ओल्ड लेडी सेड हेलो टू बोथ ऑफ देम। हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ टर्न्ड टू लुक एट हर। दैट ओल्ड लेडी सेड हेलो टू बोथ ऑफ देम. In this, they both turned towards that old lady. They asked about her suggestion. और जैसे ही उन लोगों ने उस ओल्ड लेडी को देखा, उन दोनों ने उससे पूछा कि हमें हमारे पिलो के लिए सबसे बेस्ट स्टफ़ कौन सा रहेगा, स्ट्रॉ और कॉटन। द ओल्ड वुमन सेड, आई सजेस्ट दैट feathers make the best pillows. इस पर उसने कहा कि I have some feathers that you must have the best stuff for your pillows. It makes your pillows very soft. They both said, oh, but we don't have feathers. In this, the old lady said, well, this is not a problem. I have a bag of feathers. You can take it from me. The couple said, thank you. And in return, they gave her some freshly baked bread from the oven. जब उस ओल्ड लेडी ने उन्हें अपना फेदर से भरा हुआ बैग अपने पिलो पर भरने के लिए दिया, तो इस पर उस दोनों हस्बैंड वाइफ ने उसे थैंक यू कहा और रिटर्न में उन्हें फ्रेश बेक्ड ब्रेड अवन में से निकाल कर दिए। In this, the old lady thought, at least I can have bread and soup for dinner tonight. And I stopped the quarrel between a husband and a wife. इस पर उसने कहा कि एटलीस्ट आज रात मुझे ब्रेड और सूप अपने डिनर में खाने को मिल जाएगा. And I had also stopped the quarrel between a husband and a wife. So student, this is the first part of this story. And next I will send you the second part of this chapter. Okay student, thank you and have a nice day.